Hello, this is Anna Alexander, and this is Dish About the Dish, where the foods we eat tell the stories of our lives, and it is happy hour. I've been wanting to do this one for a long time. Just time has gotten away, but I'm so excited because it's Amaretto Day. And Amaretto is an almond liqueur I don't have too often. However, I've discovered the joys of it recently, I guess you can see by the somewhat empty bottle. And I'm really excited to be sharing 2 cocktails for you today, which are perfect for a cold winter's day. And we're gonna start right off with the first one, which is called the Amaretto Cafe. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I enjoy a good Irish coffee. So this one should be interesting. And there's only like 2 technically, but 3 ingredients to this whole coffee. So we're gonna just jump right in and start. I've got my French press all brewed. And a tip I learned a few years ago is, if you're making a hot drink, fill your glass or your vessel with hot water for a while, so that will heat up the glass. So when you pour your warm liquid into your cold glass, it doesn't seep the heat from it because your glass is already warm. So there's my tip. So I'm gonna dump out my hot water and we're gonna get going with our Amaretto. I can get the bottle open. It smells so lovely and fragrant and almondy, and it's got just an ounce into our cup. Fill the cup with the coffee, and then you're gonna top it with whipped cream. It says optional, but that's the best part. So you know we're gonna do the whipped cream. I'm just gonna float some on the top. And there we have it, ta-da, our Amaretto Cafe. Oh, it's delightful. That little bit of whipped cream adds just enough of a cooling factor for that hot coffee. And then you get that almond wash over your tongue right afterward. This is delicious. And it's so perfect on a warm night. And I also like that you don't have to add a lot of sugar to it. It's just kind of naturally sweet as it is. So if you have Amaretto and you have coffee, I would highly recommend this one. So I'm gonna do a quick cleanup and then we're gonna make cocktail 2 in just a moment. So our second drink from the International Bartender's Guidebook, copyright 1996, because I don't think I mentioned that's what we're doing. But our second drink is called the Amaretto Cream. And this one I'm a little worried about because I'm not in the habit of drinking just straight cream. And that's all there is to it. So we've got our chill cocktail glass, our shaker full of ice, and we start with 1.5 ounces of our Amaretto. And then to that, we had 1.5 ounces of cream, pure cream. Yum. Time for our shaking montage. No garnishes or nothing, although I would be tempted to sprinkle a wee bit of nutmeg, but no garnishes were listed in the book, so we will do it plain. But here is our Amaretto Cream. I'm so apprehensive about this. So on the plus side, it's not as thick as I was expecting. It just tastes like a milky, alcoholic almond. It smells nice. But I think I would definitely add some cinnamon or something on top of it just to brighten it up. It's not a bad cocktail, it's just not refreshing. That's what it is. It's not refreshing. This is something that you have as a dessert. You've had your meal, This is the end of the night. You don't want ice cream, you want melted ice cream, and that's what this is. This is melted alcoholic almond ice cream. You know, it is delicious when you think of it that way. It's just odd when you think of it as a drink to refresh you. Not refreshing, but it is delicious. So give it a try if you wanted something a little bit decadent, but you're not hungry, and you got amaretto and you got cream. Ta-da, here you go. And that is it for tonight for our 2 amaretto cocktails. I'm so happy that you joined me on this little venture, and I hope you hit the subscribe button so you can see when I post another one, because you know we're cruising at a snail's pace through all 1,200 of those recipes. So we have much more content for you to come. So thank you again, and until next time, y'all.